Digitex Futures launched this weekend and has been killing it. Great volume and, more importantly, no fees for those who are looking to trade futures without getting burnt by complicated maker and taker fees. And it's all based on the DGTX token, which has been on a tear lately. Today, we're going to dive into the platform and show you exactly how it works. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto, the hardest working channel in all of cryptocurrency. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and join both my Telegram groups to learn more about crypto or connect with me and the Bit Squad. All right, guys, as a lot of you know, we've been talking quite a bit about Digitex over the last month. I saw DGTX was primed for a huge move, and as it seems a lot on this channel lately, I was correct. Geesh, I sure do hate being right. For the most part. But in all seriousness, this long-awaited futures platform has finally launched, and they did a huge giveaway this week with a bunch of interviews on their channel, and I was lucky enough to take part in it. So people are extremely interested right now. And for those of you who hate leverage trading shills like myself, you'll love this one because there are no referral links or fees. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, guys, so here I am on digitexfutures.com. You're going to have to obviously sign up before you can start trading. So all you got to do is hit sign up here, and it talks about some stuff here: high liquidity, high leverage, no KYC. Right now you can use up to 25x leverage. Trade Bitcoin futures with zero fees. Now this is very important, and one of the ways they do this is they don't have any ref links or anything like that. So the only way people know about Digitex is when people talk about them. And so thank you to Digitex, for, of course, sponsoring this demo of the platform. But let's go ahead and move over to the platform itself. Here we go. There's a lot of things about this platform that I really like. One is you can kind of customize the dashboard here, and you can change the color scheme and do a lot of different things, which we're going to walk through in a second. So as you guys can see here, this right here is called the ladder. This is the way you're going to place your orders. We'll show you that in just a second. Now, one thing you're going to have to do is go to your account and make sure that you have some Digitex tokens. If you don't have any Digitex tokens, a DGTX, you can't actually trade. So you guys can see here, I've got 40,000 in my wallet, about 3,200 bucks. I'm rich, snitches. But all you got to do if you need to buy some is click buy Digitex, and it'll take you here. You can trade on the ETH pair and things like that. So you can make that happen. You will have to own some of the tokens. Owning the token is how they get around the fees, because if you know any classic leverage trading site uses maker and taker fees, you're getting hit on both ends, and it can get extremely expensive. So you got to make sure that you have those. You can, if you come up here at the top right, you can see where it says load up. You can load up on some Digitex. So this is something that's pretty cool. I noticed they have this little start menu here. So you can click start, and it's going to take you through a tour. And I really like this. It's not very long, but you just hit get started. And this is where you can kind of play with the layout. So I'm going to want to make sure that I'm actually on the futures trading. They do have spot trading as well, as you can see. Right now they pretty much just have... they don't actually have the spot trading yet. They just have kind of the markers up here, the placeholders. These are projects you're going to be able to spot trade soon. Right now, just the Bitcoin futures are working, by the way. But these are all coming soon, along with tournaments that'll be coming soon. And then you'll also be able to trade commodities, indexes or indices, and stocks. And here on crypto, you'll also be able to trade Ethereum, XRP soon. But right now, Bitcoin futures are the only things that are working. So here we are, back to the tour. You guys see I have the worst OCD. I almost said ADD. No, I have ADD and OCD. I've got so many letters, it's insane, but I did add some DGTX. So you've got these different kinds of layouts here. You got the cyberpunk, that's not cypher, it's cyberpunk layout, kind of a purplish. You got the Digitex, which is what it's on naturally, and then you just have regular dark mode and regular light mode for you that do not love your eyes. You can also change the layout to the right side instead of the left side. You can put the graph in different places, as you can see here. And then let's go ahead and hit next. Now you have to have DGTX, so you can buy it here. I already have some in my account. Then you got to go here to next. You can navigate. It's going to show you all the different tabs and how you can navigate between things. Then it's going to show you how to set the leverage. Now, the leverage is also right up here. If you look here, I know it's kind of darked out because I'm on the tutorial screen, but if you click here and you click X, that will take you to the same place, okay? So you can change your leverage. Let's set our leverage at like 5. You can set it at 3. As you guys can see, it can go up by increments of 1, and 25x is the biggest they're offering right now, but it will be up to 100x at some point. Now, guys, I don't ever advise anyone trade 100x, 25x, or maybe 50 in extreme cases is the most you're ever going to want to go, and you're going to want to use tight stop losses. So we're going to confirm at 5x. Let's go back to the tour, though. Let's go ahead and skip forward a little bit in the tour. Okay, yada, yada, yada. Now, this you can also switch between the mainnet and the testnet. I'm going to go ahead and hit, the mainnet here. And then you hit let's go. It's going to take you to the trading. Now, here's the thing. They also have these tutorials. So you can open this tab. This is going to tell you all about the Digitex token. What are the utilities? Explains how it's the native currency, where you can buy it, what's the total supply, and then the performance since the ICO. You can also go here to the basics of trading. It's going to take you to the Digitex Futures exchange, basically Q&A here. Frequently asked questions, it would be a better way to say that. You're going to be able to see all kinds of different things, including how to use the ladder to make your buy and sell orders. You're definitely going to want to check that out. Talks about liquidation. This is something you want to avoid. This means that basically you get stopped out. Well, not stopped out. You'll lose all your money if you get liquidated. That's why you got to use stop losses. Talks about the position margin, the origin margin, the order margin, and things like that. So if you have any questions about futures trading, make sure that you hit up this section right here. So here we go. We're going back. We're going to click off of this. Now let's talk about how you actually set your buy and sell orders. So basically you can use this ladder to make buy or sell orders. So this is the current price of Bitcoin right here. And then you can use these. These will show you how many spots are where people are buying, how many spots are where people are selling. So if you move up, you kind of see, different levels that are popular levels. If you're not a trader and you want to know what popular traders are doing, just kind of scroll up here and say, man, right here at 12,000, there's a huge amount of sell orders. That's because this area is resistance. You can look down and find some more. The $11,900 level, you also have a lot of orders. So just some interesting things for you to check on. And of course, all your most active orders are going to be, very close to the current price. So let's say if the price dropped down to 11,600, I want to buy, you could just click right here and boom, it's going to take you right here. I'm going to use 5x leverage. It's going to show me my required margin, which I've got way more than 46 Digitex. And then all I would do is hit buy and boom. Now I have an order. Now I got to wait for this to hit. So once the price drops down to 11,600, then it is going to trigger that order. And now I am going to have made my purchase of these future contracts. And then you do the same thing over here. Now, if you want to do more traditional buying, if you don't want to do buying with the ladder, I do suggest, however, checking out the ladder because it will definitely show you, a lot of places where people are thinking the price is going to go. If you go down here, you see there's 1,001 at the $11,225 level, popular place. People think the price could be going. So if you want to do the more traditional, you can see the recent trades right here, okay? But you can hit tools here. And when you hit tools, this is going to be your traditional limit order, the way that you buy or sell, kind of like similar to other exchanges. You can do buy orders. If I wanted to, let's say, buy 342 contracts here, I could do that. And the limit price at $11,690. If I wanted to use all of it, I could do that by basically going all the way over here. And then you're going to see the cost of that order, which is going to be almost all of my DGTX. Now, if you want to know exactly what this slider is, the quantity of contracts depending on available balance. Here, this is the quantity of the contracts. And here, this is the price where the order will be placed. Now, this is called longing Bitcoin. We're in the buy. If you want to sell Bitcoin, if you want to short it, you can do this here. So I don't even have enough. I don't even have this amount of Digitex, so I can't even do that order going short. But this is your traditional kind of way to long or short Bitcoin. You have stop limit orders, stop market orders, take profit limits, and take profit market. So that is the futures trading in a nutshell. They also have the spot trading coming. They also have a community tab where you can check out the newsfeed, forum events, my groups, explore popular posts, my pages, and blog. Tournaments or trading competitions will be coming soon as well. Then you can get to all of the different parts in your account. If you want to check out the insurance fund, that is here as well. And then, of course, if you need help, you can get some help. So that is pretty much how you navigate around the Digitex platform. Hope you guys enjoyed, this. And once again, thank you to Digitex for supporting the channel. But now it's your turn. What do you think about the Digitex platform? Are you impressed? Do you have any questions or suggestions? If so, please make sure to drop those down below in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.